Welcome back, everybody. Today is Prime Day number 3, and today's video is dedicated to items you want to have with a power outage or a blackout. There's more of these coming, so we have to be ready. So all kinds of Prime Day specials. Of course, some of these will be gone today. I'll link them all below. Let's jump right into it. First, this is a fantastic item. Look, it's a Generac 12,500 watt tri-fuel portable generator. Electric start makes it nice. Gas, propane, and natural gas. $200 off. So it's a Generac. It's a trusted name. They work well. So you can spend thousands on a whole house generator system, which are automatic, and that's great, or less than 1,000 for this unit and still power your entire home. That's how we do it. We simply put in a transfer switch and we can do it that way. Saves a lot of money. So you know what? If we're going to go down this path, you may as well get the generator today on sale. Or another trusted name is a 13,000 watt Duromax. This one's dual fuel, gas and propane, also electric start. Instead of $1,500 on sale for $939. And for our house, we have a gas generator that powers our entire home. We love it. But we also have lots of solar generators too. Let's look at some of those on sale. And instead of showing you one specific one, I'm going to go through some categories. You can still click on the links for these, but here are a whole bunch of EcoFlow ones. Here's a Delta 3 Max, amazing solar generator. A Delta 2, only $400. That's such a good deal. Here's one of their bigger ones, a 3,600 watt for $1,500. And you can scroll through this category and you can find some of the deals with solar panels, complete sets. That's nice. I love my EcoFlows and I love my Jackeries as well. Look at this one. This is massive and will do very well for you. But granted, $3,000, but it has the solar panels and everything to power up your entire home. Now, why do I have solar generators and gas as well? Well, the gas generator will keep going, but you may run out of gas. For solar, no matter how many solar panels you have, unless you have like a massive system for your home, these will not keep your home going indefinitely, but will give you bursts of power to go for a few hours to get what you need to, then shut it down until it charges back up again. But look at this. This is probably one of my favorite deals. Home Power 3000 with the solar panels for $1,600. I have this unit and I love it. And of course, they have some smaller units too, so you can take your pick what you like. Bluettis, lots of Bluettis on sale. We like our Bluettis. And same thing, they have some of the sets in which you can get the solar panels with the Bluetti. And here's another one, 400 watts, the Elite 300, which is an amazing unit, which I've modeled this one on the channel before. Incredible. So depending what you need, powering fans, lights in your home, great. Now, you can get these solar generators with the solar panels that will power like a chest freezer indefinitely, about 2,000 watt hours, 3,000 watt hours, and maybe about 800, safer still, 1,000 watt solar panels will keep your chest freezer going indefinitely. Fantastic. And we have this too. It's an EcoFlow Glacier. This is a 45-liter portable fridge freezer. Incredible. Plugs in your car. You can also get a battery for it, so you can carry it around like that as well. And so if you don't want to power an entire fridge or freezer with solar panels, this can do it for you. Let's say you need, like, for example, insulin, or want to simply keep like milk cold. This is your guy. Or half the price, you can get this IceCo. I have this one too, portable refrigerator. Now, it can work 12 volts in your car or plug it in the wall. It does not have a battery, but if you have a solar generator anyway, this might be your best option and save some money. And if you need to run a device, like for example, your computer to keep it going, I have the Goldenmate 1500 volt amp or 1000 watt UPS system. These are great because if my power goes out, my computer does not shut off and die, which is really bad for them. My Goldenmate keeps it going. In fact, I have my Goldenmate powering my server, which then runs through my network for the house so I can access all my video files and such. It works very, very well. For this computer I'm on right now, I used to have the Goldenmate hooked to it, but now I just have one of my EcoFlows hooked up to it. Maybe overkill, but works well. So if the power goes down, I can still get computer work done. Again, I'll link all these below in case you want to pick them up. Now I'm going to go through some smaller items, which I love, by the way. Ogery sent me this 10,000 milliamp hour light, a camping light on a tripod. It doesn't have to be for camping though. And you can see it can be set up to light up a whole room, which is really nice. I love this thing. Because truth be told, when the power goes out, it's not simply just having like a flashlight, but having lights to be able to get things done and see clearly. And on that note, Ogery also sent me this camping fan, portable fan. You've seen this before on our channel, 20,000 milliamp hours. And it's nice because it has a nice fan to it. You can put it up into like your tent, for example, or above your bed. And I use mine for this work light so I can get things done when there's no power. In this item, it doesn't matter if it's a blackout or simply just wanting extra lights outside, that's what you use it for, are solar outdoor lights. Waterproof. We have literally had ours for years and years and years, and they still keep going. But being motion sensors, they work very well, automatically turn lights on in certain areas. And I don't have to buy power for them, batteries, nothing. Solar panel takes care of it. But this, oh boy, if you don't have this item, I certainly would pick it up. Their Energizer automatically turns on LED flashlights. This is a 6-pack for home power failures. And especially in our house with lots of little kids, we put these down our hallways and plug them in. So that way, if the power goes out, these flashlights automatically turn on and to be able to show them the way. And then they can pull them out. Our kids know this and use them as flashlights until the power comes back on. It's really nice and gives me a little bit of security, knowing that if something happens, the power goes out, maybe there's like a fire, they still have light to be able to see down the hallways. We love this set, and man, I really endorse it because it works very well. And for Prime Day, for less than $30, you can get a dual fuel stove, propane and butane compatible. Camping, power goes out either way. And obviously, if we're talking about just a short-term power outage, you'll have to have extra butane canisters. That's what I like to use for it, or propane canisters, and it keeps going. Again, short-term power outage, you can have a grill, obviously, or a griddle, which will take care of it. But having the stove works well. If you have a range, a gas range, by far the majority of them will still keep working. You'll just have to manually light it, and it'll work well for you. Rechargeable hand warmers, 2-packs. These work very well, and I know we're in summer, it's nice and hot. But $16 for these. Get them now. They're on Prime sale, so I may as well go ahead and pick them up for this next winter. And kind of the same thing for the Sealy 12-volt heated car blanket. Doesn't have to be the car, but it actually has 2 USB output ports too, heating levels, really neat. And again, my solar generators have this cigarette adapter on there, so I can plug it in there inside the house if need be. Keep nice and warm. Now there's lots of other items like headlamps and flashlights and stuff. I've put those in older videos that came out like 2 days ago. I'll link that next after this. But again, there are links for all these items. Even if you actually click the link and look through scrolling all the different types of Jackeries or EcoFlows, we will get a portion of your sale. We say thank you, and your price doesn't change because we're our Amazon affiliates. Now, again, I always say this, we don't charge anything for our videos. We don't do Patreon. So if you do end up clicking on something and buying it, it doesn't even have to be anything on this list, but if you click the link and go from there, we'll still get a portion. And I mean, we really mean it too, by the way. Thank you for that, because it does help us out, because we always want to put these videos out for you. So Prime Day number 3, what have you purchased and want to tell us about it, because there's all kinds of good sales. But anyways, links below for everything. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.